Hi kabahay! So we're now here at the Grand Park Place Village located along Aguinaldo Highway here in Barangay Anabu, Imus, Cavite. This property is a single attached unit property, complete finished turnover, and ready for occupancy. Tara, check natin ang ating property. So we're now here going to the carport area. So as you can see, meron tayong fence and gate na included dito sa ating turnover. It can fit up to 2 cars and meron tayo dito mga lamppost na included. Ito naman ang ating pedestrian area. So ito po ang ating doorbell and the signage of the address. So dito sa porch area natin mga kabay, as you can see, meron tayong 3 steps and ang ating flooring is made from tiles na non-skid. So meron tayong pocket gardens on the side. Ito naman ang ating main door and of course the parking area. So as you can see mga kabahay, dito sa ating carport area, covered po ito and then ang ating flooring is made from pebbles. Meron tayo ditong access going to the service area. So dito sa setback area natin mga kabahay, as you can see, malaki po ang space dito. Meron tayo ditong inside gardens. Meron tayong mataas na fence which is approved ng ating homeowners association. So meron tayo ditong Inca water tank na 700 liters in case of emergency lang. Pero as of the moment, wala naman po tayong issue dito with regards to the water supply. So ito naman ang ating service area. Meron tayong laundry area and the provision for your automatic washing machine. Meron na tayong water supply and electric outlet dyan. So ito naman mga kabahay ang access natin papunta sa ating lanay area. So dito sa lanay area natin, meron tayo ditong sliding door access going to the living area. Tuloy kayo kabahay dito sa ating property. So itong property natin, makikita nyo, open ang layout dito sa ground floor. As you can see, ang living area natin is merong tiles na made by 60 by 60 na size. And then meron tayong simple ceiling dito sa ating living area. Ito naman kabahay ang provision natin for our dining area. So as you can see, different from ating living area, meron tayong wall accent dito sa ating dining area. So ito yung access kanina na papunta sa ating lanay area. Check naman mga kabayan ang ating kitchen area. So dito sa likod ko, dito ang provision ng inyong refrigerator. Ito naman pong cabinet na ito is a pull-out storage. So meron din tayo dito magandang kitchen area which is meron tayong stainless steel na kitchen sink and then meron tayong built-in cabinets over and under. Ito naman ang provision natin for range, hood, and gas range. So we also have 1 bedroom dito sa ating ground floor. So itong ground floor bedroom mga kabahay is merong provision ng window type aircon. Meron tayong built-in cabinets. And of course, ito po is provision for your maids or pwede rin dito ang inyong mga PWD or senior citizen family member. So we have toilet and bath dito sa ating ground floor. So dito sa toilet and bath natin mga kabahay, complete fixtures din po ito with lavatory, toilet seat, and then shower head. And then dito nga pala sa ating CR ay meron itong access going to the bedroom number 1. So through and through po ang ating entrance dito sa ating restroom. So dito sa staircase natin mga kabahay, it is made of concrete and solid wood. Meron tayong steel railings and combination of wood. So as you can see, maluwag dito sa ating area ng staircase. So dito sa second floor mga kabahay, we have a total of 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. This is the common toilet and bath and tara, check natin ang bedroom number 1. So sa bedroom number 1 mga kabahay, kasya dito ang single to double size bed. Meron tayong provision for window type aircon. May malaki tayong window dito. And of course, meron tayong built-in cabinets sa floor to ceiling ang height and the vanity area. Let's check the common toilet and bath. So as you can see sa common toilet and bath, complete fixtures din po ito with shower and closure. Bedroom number 2. Sa bedroom number 2 mga kabahay, same as bedroom number 1, kasya dito ang single to double size bed. And of course, the window, the provision for aircon, and the built-in cabinets na floor to ceiling and the vanity area. Master's bedroom mga kabahay. So dito sa master's bedroom, meron tayong own toilet and bath. Dito naman sa ating bed area, kaya nito mag-accommodate ng double to queen size bed. Meron tayong wall accent na magsisilbing headboard. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating built-in cabinets na included sa ating turnover. So ayan po, malaki at maraming space. So meron din tayo ditong vanity area. Hindi din mawawala ang ating access going to the balcony area. Check natin ang ating master's toilet and bath. So sa master's toilet and bath mga kabahay, as you can see, meron tayo ditong bathtub. Ang ating shower area ay may shower enclosure, the toilet seat, and the lavatory area. Ito naman mga kabahay ang ating balcony area. So sa balcony area natin, makikita nyo, may overlooking kayo dito ng mga neighbor nyo. And of course, mahangin dito sa area na to. If you're interested to view this property mga kabahay, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is Von Tapawan of Exia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching, kabahay.